Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain what Italians ate before tomatoes. Focus on staple ingredients, cooking methods, and cultural shifts that shaped pre-tomato Italian cuisine. Begin by surveying cereals like wheat and barley, plus legumes and wild greens common in peasant kitchens. Note regional cheeses, cured pork, and salted fish used for protein. Watch how preservation methods like salting, smoking, and pickling made ingredients last through winters and lean seasons. Let's explore staples and grains with a warm, practical tone. Bread and polenta were daily anchors, while barley and spelt filled soups and stews in poorer areas. Coastal towns emphasized rice and wheat differently from inland valleys, reflecting irrigation and trade. Techniques like grinding, soaking, and slow simmering made tough grains digestible. Keep in mind that corn polenta arrived later, replacing some older porridge traditions and changing textures. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support more content and quick culinary history dives. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal soups, polentas, and marinades without spills. They're perfect for packing preserved fish or cheese for picnics, and they stack neatly in small kitchens. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if it helps. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we examine proteins and preservation in a friendly, clear voice. Beans and lentils were reliable protein sources for peasants, while fresh cheese and eggs topped up meals. Wealthier tables served more fresh meat, but most communities relied on salt, smoke, and curing to make protein last. Fishermen and coastal markets offered fish preserved by salting or drying, which traveled inland and became culinary staples in many regions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.